Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you one of the important topic, that is Koshtang. It can be asked for 5 marks, otherwise 2 marks, like define Koshtang and its number. Okay. Uh, Title suggests Koshtang. Coast, one of the meaning of coast is abdomen, and ang means organs which reside in it. So in this chapter we will discuss regarding Vyutpatti, Nirukti, definition of Koshtang, its numbering according to different Acharya, Paryaya, synonyms of the Koshtang, and its importance. Okay. First of all, we will discuss Vyutpatti of Koshtang. व्युत्पत्ति कुश थन उदर मध्ये रेफरेंसेस वाचस्पत्य कुश आवरणे कुश दाहे. द वर्ड कोस्ट इज डिराइव फ्रॉम कुश धातु विच मीन्स टू कवर abdomen. It also means where the paka digestion takes place. Okay, kush dahe. Now we will see निरुक्ति. कोष्ठ शब्देन आमाशय पक्वाशय आदि स्थानम. Dalhantika on Susrut Nidan 8/3. The word coast refers to the region where the amashay, pakvashay, etc. organ reside. Again, Dalhantika on Susrut Sari 5/3. Madhya Shariram idam kanthadi gud paryantam. Kanth adi gud paryantam. The region which extends from the Kantha to Guda is known as coast. According to Abhinav Sharir, कोष्ठ पदेन च उदर उर्सो गुहे अन्नवाहाक्याम महास्रोतश्च परिगृह्यते. According to Abhinav Sharir, coast is a cavity which encapsulates and gives support to the organs in the thoracic and abdominal cavity. This is the important shlok. You have to by heart it. Susrut Chikitsa 2/12-13. स्थानानाम् अग्निपक्वानां मूत्रस्य रुधिरस्य च हृद उण्डुकफुफ्फुसश्च कोष्ठ इति विधीयते. The region which provides shelter for organs like आमाशय, अग्न्याशय, पक्वाशय, मूत्राशय, रक्ताशय, हृदय, उंडक, फुफ्फुस is known as coast. Now, paryaya of coast, it can be asked for Viva. Both shloka are important. It can be asked in exam, also in Viva. कोष्ठ पुनरुच्यते महास्रोतः शरीर मध्यम महानिम्नम आम पक्वाशयश्चेति पर्याय शब्दे तंत्रे सरोग मार्ग अभ्यंतर. चरक सूत्र 11/48. These are the synonym of कोष्ठ: महास्रोत, शरीर मध्य, महानिम्न, आमाशय, पक्वाशय. कोष्ठ is considered as अभ्यंतर रोग मार्ग, अंतराधि, अंतः कोष्ठ, आम पक्वाशय, आश्रय. Okay. Now Koshtang numbering. According to Charak Shari 7/10, पंचदश कोष्ठांगानि तद्यथा नाभिश्च हृदय क्लोम यकृत प्लीह वृक्क बस्तिश्च पुरुषाधारश्च आमाशय पक्वाशयश्च उत्तरगुदश्च अधगुदश्च क्षुद्रांतर स्थूलांतर वपावहन चेति. Okay. Again, we have discussed that important shlokas. स्थानानाम् अग्निपक्वानां मूत्रस्य रुधिरस्य च हृद अंडुकफुफ्फुसश्च कोष्ठ इति विधीयते. Now, in all these things we will discuss in one table. Okay, first of all, I have described according to Charak Acharya, Bhel Acharya, Kashyap Acharya, and Sushrut Acharya. For remembering all these organs, you have to first remember the according to Acharya Charak. And Sushrut Acharya shloka is most important, and must you have to remember or recite anyhow. So this numbering anyhow you will remember, but for remembering Bhela Acharya and Kashyap Acharya name of the organs. First, you have to recite the shloka of Charakacharya. Nabhi, Hriday, Klom, Yakrut, Pleha, Vruk, Basti. Basti. Purushaadhar, Hamashai, Pakvashai, Uttarguda, Adhaguda, Kshudrantha, Sulantar, and Vapavahan. Okay, now here I am going to make you easy to remember this table. According to Bhel and Kashyap, up to Basti, same name of the organ, like Nabhi, Hriday, Klom, Yakrut, Pliha, Vruk, Basti. Okay, then Purishadhar, Amashay, Uttarguda, Adhaguda, Kshudrantha, Stulantra, Vapavahan, and Nipavahan. Bhelacharya didn't describe Pakvashay, and he described Nipavahan, where I did it red mark. Okay, and in last bracket or box I have described that Bhelacharya didn't describe Pakvashay, but he described Nipavahan. Okay, Kashyap, same, Nabhi, Hriday, Klom, Yakrut, Pliha, Vruk, Basti. Up to Basti, common. Amashay, Pakvashay, Guda, it is different. Kshudrantha, Sulantar, Vapavan, again it is different. Okay, Kashyapacharya didn't describe the Purushadha, and he described Uttarguda and Adhaguda. Instead of both this organ, he described only Guda, whereas instead of Vapavahan, he described only Vapa. Again, in this box you can understand. And according to Acharya Sushrut, you have to remember that shloka sthananam agni pakvanam mutrasya rudirasya cha hridundak puppasya cha kost ityabhi deyite. Okay. Again, important. Kost is considered as one of the Shadanga. Okay. Sakha Chatastra, that shloka. Applied aspect of the Koshtang. Sarok Marga Abhyantara, that we have discussed in Paryaya Charak Sutra 11 by 48. Kost is considered as Abhyantar Rog Marga. Okay. Thank you. This is small and interesting topic. You have to